Welcome to our new video of Old Town Paphos, Cyprus. Paphos, Cyprus is the gem on the southwest coast of the island of Cyprus. It is renowned for its blend of ancient history and modern attractions. Paphos Old Town, also known as Katima, is a treasure trove of culture, history, and architecture, making it a must-visit destination. Old Town of Paphos has a history that dates back thousands of years. It was an important center of ancient Greek and Roman civilization. The town's history is intertwined with mythology, particularly the legend of Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love and beauty, who was believed to have risen from the sea at Petra Tou Romeo, a landmark located near Paphos. While Paphos Old Town is steeped in history, it is also a vibrant Paphos city. The blend of ancient and contemporary makes it a unique destination. Strolling through the narrow streets of this old town, encounter a charming mix of traditional Cypriot houses and neoclassical buildings. The old town square, with its cafes and shops, is a perfect place to relax and soak in the atmosphere.
Αστεία μπορεί να είναι η μοναδική μέρα που κλειστό σας το αποτελέσμα.
Θα καθίσουμε να χάσουμε.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this walk. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can watch our every new upcoming video first.